Yes. Let me hope that everyone is fine. So today I'm to let you know about another SNI host that we can use to access free internet using H-Ethernet application. So for those who do not have the H-Ethernet application, the application is free on the Google Play Store. So you just have to access your Google Play Store application on your phone and search for the H-Ethernet application. You just have to input H-Ethernet Plus. You will automatically see the application. So I already have the application here, so this will be the interface, especially for those people who have just opened the application for the first time. So this will be the interface of the application. What you have to do is to enable the custom setup. You also select the port. So it is advisable to use port 80, 443 and 88. So any port can work. You also have to select a server. So you select a server of your choice. After that, you just have to click on this down arrow. So you will have to get such a menu. So we are being here. We can connect our H-Ethernet application using various ways. We can use the custom payload, the custom host header, the custom SNI, the DNSCTT tunnel, and the imported configurations. So we are going to use the custom SNI since I'm to let you know the SNI host that we are going to be using to connect our H-Ethernet Plus. So here you just have to select the custom SNI, and this will be the interface. So you just have to delete the inbuilt SNI host, and this is the new host that I'm to show you. It is fmod.com. So that's the SNI host that I'm to let you know, and it works for Airtel network. So for those with MTN, you can resort to other SNI hosts. So after inserting in the SNI host, you just have to enable the use RIM host, then you click save. You also preserve the SNI, but you do not need to use the TCP load, so do not activate it. After doing all that, you can click start, and you just have to wait for at least a few seconds, then until the application gets connected. So we have two arrows, one arrow pointing up and another one pointing down. The arrow pointing up is called the upload, and the one pointing down is called download. So when all of them are at least moving, the application is audited. So here you are free to do everything that requires an internet connection. You can also add time in order to increase your access time. Here you just have to watch an AdSense. An AdSense is just meant for 15 to 20 seconds, so you just have to watch it until the end, and then you'll be granted with more 2 extra hours. So I'm connected to Airtel network, so I also want to prove to you that I don't have any running data bundle. So let me check for my running data bundle so that I can prove to you that I don't have any running data bundle. So as you can see, my main volume is 0.00 KB, so I don't have any running data bundle, but I'm connected. The application provides free internet, so we can go on to test our application. Let us test our application here so that we can see that the application works very well. So this is my YouTube application. Want to see whether the application works very well. You can also make configuration files in case you have a working SNI host. You can also make configuration files. And it is free to make such files. You can also set the expiry date. And how do you make such configuration files? You just have to click on the 3 dots that you see on the upper right corner of your application. So you select import or export. So to make a configuration file from the SNI host that you have put, you just have to click select export configuration file. So you allow the application to access the system files. So you are going to have such an interface. Here you can name the file, you can give a file a name of your choice, a description. You can also encrypt it with a password. You can also set an ID lock for a specific device where the configuration file is to work. This means that any other person who with a different H8 ID lock imports that you have created here using the H8 application, that will automatically not work on his device. ID lock means that you have set to work on a specific device. So any other person who tries to import such a file, the file will not work. So you just have to choose a name of your choice. So that's name of your choice. You can put a description, maybe your phone number, how the application works. So in case you need to put a description, you just have to enable add description or message, and here you will be able to type in description of the file. So you can encrypt it with a password in case you want. Here you can enter the ID lock as I have explained. You can also set the expiry date for the file to be valid. You can set it, maybe if you want a file for a week, a month, 2 months, 2 days, according to your opinion. So after doing all that, you just have to click export. So by clicking export, the file you will have created an H8 file, and there you just have to go to import there a new application, so that you can look for a folder to see H8 plus. That will be the location of the file. So here is the file that we have created. You can import. So the file is imported into the H8 application. You can go on to connect your H8 application using the created file. So this is my YouTube application, as you may see. This is my YouTube. and this is my Facebook account. So the application works on everything that requires an internet connection. The application itself is a VPN. It is a VPN. VPN means virtual private network, for those who do not understand it very well. So that's the way we can connect eternal application using the custom SNI, but many people do not know the meaning of the custom SNI. SNI stands for server name indication. And what is the purpose of the server name indication? Its purpose to indicate a website's hosting name or domain name, which can be separated from the name of a web server that is actually hosting the domain. So I think that has been for today. I sign out.